What is this round? What is this? Oh, get him, Duncan! I can't get it. Airball! I can't get it in. Oh! I cannot get it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! That was incredible! That was incredible! Oh my god! Yo! Ah! Ah!
What the what? Let me tell you something about my life. In every single dream.
We're gonna get copyright striked.
There we go. I got it.
Oh, that was good.
There we go. Fuck it, we're doing it live. Let's go. Woo! Let's get fucked up.
Hey. We're cooking with the Pod Squad.
Pod squat. I like it, dude.
We're gonna bake Betty Crocker's super moist cake, college style.
Nice.
Let's do it.
Ooh. Another shot.
Oh!
Actually, it's not very good.
I need a pan. Oh, Jesus. Mix cake. It doesn't say how many eggs.
Don't waste the Coke.
Oh, 3 eggs. Cocaine!
Yeah, I want a kilo cake. Hey, across the seas, is it called pound cake or kilo cake?
No, call it pound cake.
Oh,
Kilo cake.
kilo cake.
Is that about a cup of water, would you say?
Close enough.
Close enough. Okay, we're just gonna...
Oh, Jesus.
To like that much.
Yeah. Take a good shot. You take a good shot of that.
Yeah. Can't even open the eggs. What the hell am I cracking?
While the cake is cooking, I bought mozzarella sticks and boneless bites.
Jesus
Will it
Christ.
air fry?
The cake is the side thing. This is will it air fry.
No, it's air fry everything. Good mythical morning
That was
coffee.
an expertly cracked egg serve.
Thank you.
I haven't seen egg cranking that fancy since Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Who wants to do the honors of beating it vigorously?
That should be Nick's honor. Nick likes to beat it all day, all night. Had the beat in his name.
Not doing it right. You gotta get angle. There you go. not like this. You gotta.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Okay, well, beat it then.
Okay.
Beat it, boy.
You beat it then.
If it doesn't,
Beat it for me.
If it doesn't, moist now. I have another glove. We can
See
pull this
the
out
blood
without
inside of
burning
this thing.
ourselves.
Now, do we set a timer?
Well, yeah. It's on the box. It's raw egg. That's going on.
Where? Where'd you leave? Over here, we're still waiting on the boneless wings to be done. I got it set to a good old 400 degrees, 13 minutes, but we're probably not gonna leave it in that long. Just gonna keep testing them periodically, probably every like 3 minutes. Check to see if they're done.
So what's in there right now?
The boneless wings.
Did you burn them?
Yes.
Oh my god, they're black!
No!
I know we're making chicken egg, but it doesn't need to be black.
They're nice. They're crispy.
This is why I don't put things.
Pretty hot.
There's the update on oven. You doing well?
7.5.
7.5. Thank you. Thank you. Cleaning is the most important part of any operation.
You're doing a very good job there.
No, you just gotta get your fingers in there sometimes.
I have to use
Have you thought of using the sponge?
I didn't realize there was a sponge there. It's nice.
We're gonna actually put this up for you. Have you drank out of it or just poured it into the bear? I have a weird thing about that.
What do you think? What does it look like so far?
Beautiful. We're gonna allow this to cool down for a minute or two, and then we're gonna apply some icing on it.
Good view of our master chef.
Nick Snow here, Snowman.
Master Chef Snowflake. It's not a 50 round. Not even a ripoff. We can't endorse it. So now we know it works. We can endorse that. That is Pam Original Cookies, right?
No. Copyright infringement.
How is it? Get the turtles and drops.
Push.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? They use it all. Jesus.
No, we're using it all.
Oh no.
I don't think that cake companies that like supply bake your own cake would try to.
Betty Crocker has it out for you.
I don't think Betty Crocker makes her own cakes.
That's crispy.
That actually looks kind of decent.
Kind of decent.
Let's get a close up
Don't-
on those
don't
holes.
flatter us. It just pours.
Look at this poor SpongeBob. Where are you? Gary, come home.
Oh, that looks great.
Nick Snow and Alex Cassada, thanks for sticking around with us. We'll be back with more videos.
I give this cake a 10 out of 10.
Save Hentai Haven. When it all comes together a little more, they complement each other a little better. The pepperoni ratio is a little better. And chicken's crispier.
What do you think you are, a food review channel?
Hey, fuck off! You asked for my opinion, you stupid whore!
The ratio of pepperoni
Today we're gonna be trying to